Okay, so today I'm going to show you up close how to make our little paper rockets for our rocket launcher. You need a piece of paper that looks something like this. There's various colors I'll show you in class, and a penny that I will pass out while you're working. So what you're going to do is take this and you're going to cut this out very carefully. You want to cut on the solid lines. Okay, the solid lines are for cutting, and it tells you right there, cut on the solid lines. Cut carefully, cut neatly, because we're going to fold these up and your cuts will make a big difference. So after you've got it cut out, it will look something like this. Alright, notice how when I copied it I was trying to get 2 on each and it cut off the corner and it cut off the bottom. I just pretended like it's still there and cut it into a nice point. Alright, so I'm going to start with folding on these lines because we're going to fold on all of the dashed lines. So I'm going to take and kind of fold it in, fold it back like this carefully because it makes a big difference. Okay, fold it down good. Then I'm just going to pick that part up and I'm going to fold it again, being very careful to fold it as close as I can to on the line and give it a good crease. I'm going to pick this part up and I'm going to come over and I'm going to fold, kind of working it down to that line. Alright, so what I have now is essentially a square or a triangle if you overlap it. Okay, good, that's what we want. We're going to end up with a triangular shaped rocket. Before I do that though, I'll lay this back flat and I'm going to fold on these tiny, tiny, tiny little tabs, like that's it. Okay, then I will fold on this one. And be careful because you need those tabs. And then I'm going to fold on this one. Probably doesn't look like I'm doing too much, but I am. Just that teeny tiny little tab there. Alright, then I'm going to come to the bottom here because I've got more fold lines here. And I'm going to fold this back so I can just see that dashed line. These are the fins of my rocket. Go. There's my third one. Alright, so I'm going to check all this over, make sure I've got it all right, and before I tape it, I need to put a penny in it. So I'm going to get my tape dispenser, and we just need, this one probably is the biggest piece of tape we're going to use because we want it to go all the way over the penny. I'm going to tape it over the penny, and then I don't really want to tape it on the fold because it gets too heavy. Or excuse me, it gets too wide, so I'm going to kind of come up as close as I can to that and fold it there. Okay, I didn't really fold it here because these will fold in on their own, but we can go ahead and give it a little fold. Just a little. We don't need it like flat back. Alright, so I've got my penny in there. Make sure you have your penny in there. Then I'm going to roll this, and see this one with the words on it? I'm going to make it go bye-bye. It's going to get overlapped. I'm going to take a small piece of tape, alright, and I'm going to put it over it, and I'm going to give it a little pinch rub there. I'm going to come down here and do it on the end here too. I don't need a massive piece of tape to go the whole length because that's just a waste of tape. But what I'm going to do is put it here and tape. Making my little rocket.
A rocket?
Rocket.
Are you going into space?
Well.